السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم في قناتنا الإنجليزية مع حسن واحد. المكان الذي سوف تتعلم فيه اللغة الإنجليزية بأسلوب بسيط ممتع وفعال. هنا نشرح القواعد بطريقة سهلة، نتمرن على الإنجليزية الأكاديمية الحقيقية ونتعلم نطق الكلمات بالطريقة الصحيحة خطوة بخطوة وبثقة. سواء كنت مبتدئ أو تريد تطوير مستواك فأنت في المكان الصحيح. اشترك الآن وابدأ على بركة الله.
Subject pronouns and object pronouns to improve your English. So subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Why do we call them subject pronouns? Because the subject is the person or the thing that makes the action. So we say the subject is the doer of the action, the person who does the action. For example, if I say I speak, so I is the doer of the action, the I that speaks. And we have object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. So object pronouns, they come directly after the verb. Sometimes there is a preposition between the verb and the object pronouns. We are going to see these examples. Now, sometimes the students, they don't know which pronoun to use. So to use I or me. You is the same. To use he or him. To use she or her. To use it, it's the same. To use we or us. To use you, the same, sorry. To use they or them. If you see very well that I've written subject pronouns with capital letter. Why? Because they come at the beginning of the sentence. And object pronouns, I wrote them with small letters. Why? Because they never come at the beginning of the sentence. So with the exception of you and it and her. So these three, because as object pronouns, they never come at the beginning. Because because we have two pronouns, you is subject pronoun and you object pronouns. So as object pronouns, they never come at the beginning of the sentence. Let's continue. The position of the subject pronouns in a sentence in English. The position of subject pronouns in a sentence in English is always before the verb. This point is very important. So subject pronouns always come before a verb. So I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks, it speaks, we speak, you speak, they speak. So always they come before a verb. Remember this point. It's very, very important. Let's continue. What's the position of object pronouns in a sentence in English? The position of object pronouns in a sentence in English is always after the verb. This point is also very, very important. Remember, object pronouns always come after a verb. So me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them always come after a verb. For example, you help me, I help you, I help him, I help her, I help it, you help us, I help you, we help them. So these, they come after a verb. Let's see examples. Because subject pronouns come before the verb and object pronouns come after the verb. So you is subject pronoun, you know is the verb, the main verb of the sentence, and me is the object pronoun. You know me. You see me. You understand me. You help me. You love me. Let's repeat after me. You know me. You see me. You understand me. You help me. You love me. Let's go to the next slide, to negative form. You don't know me. You don't see me. You don't understand me. You don't help me. You don't love me. You see, you is the subject pronoun and me is the object pronoun. Let's repeat after me these examples. You don't know me. You don't see me. You don't understand me. You don't help me. You don't love me. Let's see the question form. So the same problem. So subject pronoun is not do, it's you. You is the subject pronoun. Do you know me? Do you see me? Do you understand me? Do you help me? Do you love me? So subject pronoun always comes before the verb and object pronoun after the verb. So yeah, let's see more examples. Now the subject pronoun is he. He knows me. He is subject pronoun because always comes before the verb, and me is object pronoun. So in this slide we are going to see all the object pronouns, but with just he as a subject pronoun. He knows me. He sees you. He understands her. So can we say he understands she? No, it's not correct, because she comes before the verb and not after the verb. So if you want to say she after the verb, use her. He understands her. He helps us. Can we say he helps we? No. We never comes after the verb. It comes before the verb because we is a subject pronoun. It's not object pronoun. So he helps us. And the last example, can we say he loves they? No, we cannot, because they always comes before the verb and never after the verb. So if you want to say they after the verb, say them and not they, because they is not correct. Let's repeat after me these examples. He knows me. He sees you. He understands her. He helps us. He loves them.